Welcome everyone to Liberal Agencies Television. I hope this video finds you well in your location across the globe. Today I just want to give you a full detailed information about the Nairobi Expressway. This is a very ambitious project that was started in October of 2019. It's a 27-kilometer expressway starting at Mlolongo through Mombasa Road into Uhuru Highway, into Waiyaki Way, terminating at James Gishuru. It has 10 interchanges. Right now I'm at the Eastern Bypass interchange, where vehicles coming from Mombasa Road can join the North Airport Road and go to Utawala or go straight up to Thika Road again. Where it starts, there's an interchange at Mlolongo. Another interchange is at Syokimau SGR. Then the other interchange is at JKIA. The vehicles coming from the airport can just go direct into the expressway. Then from JKIA interchange is this one that I've already mentioned, the Eastern Bypass interchange. Then there is this Southern Bypass interchange at Ole Sereni. Then again there is the interchange at Capital Center. From Capital Center, another interchange is at Haile Selassie Avenue. And from there, there's another interchange at Thika Road, Museum Hill, where vehicles that want to join Thika Road can just join from the interchange directly. And also vehicles from Thika Road can just also join the expressway. From Museum Hill, another interchange is at, from there is the Westland Interchange, and then the last one is at the end at Lyons Place. This project is being done by the China Road and Bridge Corporation and is costing around 60 billion Kenya shillings. That amount is just about half the amount that was used to build Thika Road or Thika Superhighway. As you know, Thika Superhighway costed 37 billion, and it's a 50 kilometer road starting from Nairobi town to the outskirts of Thika to to the outskirts of Thika town. So this area where I am is the area that still has the bulk of work. The area between Cabanas and GM or General Motors. That is the stretch that still has the bulk of work. As you can see where I am now, even the metals and everything are still being done. Some metals still are on the ground, you know. This is the area that still has the bulk of work still remaining. The other areas are almost done. And I project this project to end just before June or in June. This project will start working. And it's going to be tolled. It's going to be tolled. It's not going to be used just for free. Motorists using the expressway, like this one now, is a toll station being built here. They are building toll stations. At every interchange there's a toll station. This is a toll station that's going to serve the interchange at the Eastern Bypass. And here the expressway is going to pass on the level ground. On the level ground. There are areas that it passes down and there are areas that it goes up. This is a new flyover that has been done simply because of this expressway. There are around four flyovers that were constructed during this project. Look at the traffic. Look at the traffic on Mombasa Road. Once this expressway is done, it will solve this mess. It's going to solve this mess. This is Mombasa Road, heading to town. You can see. And here the expressway is passing on the level ground. Here it is. This is the expressway now. This is the expressway. Passing on the level ground. You can see flowers also have been put there, beautification. It's a beautification project. There's a vehicle there, if you can see. I don't know if I can zoom it for you. A vehicle trying to arrange the flowers. This area, what is left, just marking the road. This is the side that is going to town, and the other side, vehicles flowing, traffic flowing from town. Once the project is done, it's going to go a long way in trying to ease this traffic problem. And like I was mentioning earlier, this expressway is going to be charged. And you don't have to pay for the whole trip. When you join expressway, you are going to be charged for the distance traveled. For example, a saloon car with 2 axles, a whole stretch from Mulolongo to Lion's Place, that's around 27 kilometers, will pay 310. That is around 12 shillings per kilometer. So it means when you leave the highway or the expressway, before reaching the end, you pay less depending on the distance covered. So while you are joining, you'll just be mentioning the interchange where you will live, and they calculate for you, and you pay for only that distance. And a heavy vehicle with more than 4 axles is going to pay around 1800 the whole stretch. So when you are doing a shorter distance, you pay less. And before I now leave you with a small small video of the expressway, it's also good to mention that tuk-tuk and motorbikes are not going to be allowed to use the expressway. Tuk-tuk and motorbikes will not use the Nairobi expressway. There are vehicles that will not be charged, like the ambulances, police vehicles, and some of the vehicles that will be specified by the ministry. Those will not be charged. And also it's good to mention that the China Road and Bridge Corporation will continue maintaining the road for around 27 years as they collect the funds to repay the cost or the loan. You see, this was not a loan that was, it was just an agreement that they built this road funded by some Chinese sources, and then the money will be recovered gradually as the road starts being in use. So after the money has been recovered that was used, it will then be handed over to the Kenya government. And that is projected to take up to around 27 years. Well, now I just want to find a section where the traffic is flowing so that I can show you a bit of the highway, a bit of the expressway, and you see some of the areas that has been done. This is the section that is still lagging behind. but the team are on the ground. The area between General Motors and Cabanas. This is now General Motors, and here there's a roundabout that has been created. They have created a roundabout here, so vehicles can just turn from Mombasa Road to join Enterprise Road. And vehicles that are on the expressway can also come down and find a way of joining Enterprise Road, or come down to Mombasa Road on the ground. There is a roundabout that has been created here. It used not to be there those days. It's a new one that has been created just because of this expressway, the General Motors roundabout. Another toll station for the Southern Bypass Interchange. Southern Bypass Interchange. Look at that beautification. They have planted the wall creepers. The plants that are done there to beautify the place, the flowers. This is at Bellevue. Beautification project. Now we are at the Capital Center Interchange, and you can see the toll station there. Every interchange there is a toll station. This is the area near Nyayo Stadium, at Nyayo Stadium. Beautification underway. Let me just stop here. This is the Haile Selassie area, the Haile Selassie Interchange. And of course now it goes still up to Westlands, but I want to stop here. You have already seen the place. And you can see just there in the farthest end, there's another toll station being built there to serve the Haile Selassie Interchange. So I just want to leave it from there. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and give this video a like. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Until we meet in the next video, God's blessing. Thank you so much.